Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Milagros Aguirre Pablo, 42 years old, single, with two children ages 19 and 17 years old, living at Barangay Tamagbigan City, Ilocos Sur. And I have two sisters, and I am the youngest of the family. And I am a high school graduated. My working experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia to Mr. and Mrs. Saud for 2 years with 3 kids ages 15, 10, 5 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, cooking, but the main duties is to take care of the children. I am a hardworking, honest, responsible, and trustworthy. And I have also experience in the Philippines as a babysitter for 3 years, ages 5 and 3 years old. I wanted to work abroad to be able to send my children in school and for the future of my family. Sir, ma'am, please hire me and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. And I promise to love and take care your family as on my family. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Hope to see you soon.